Gary Johnson.
Yeah.
Show me what you got cooking here.
Yeah.
Been raining here much?
Oh yeah, all morning.
Has it been?
Yeah.
So what you got going on here?
I gotta clean that, like that back off.
Oh, okay, fixing that up.
Yeah, that's what we went across, and she said it looked like it was humped, but
Okay, so you need to wipe it down.
yeah, and then I put this on there because all they had was a ball valve. So
Okay.
you can blow it out.
Okay.
So, so we'll probably try and get Drew or whoever to.
Who?
Well, Drew or somebody with a compressor.
Yeah, winterize it.
Yeah. It's weird how they put all these lights in here. See, that's all the trees they put in, and that's where she was talking about.
Make sure to get water.
Something behind it, but we don't need to. The rotor's, you know, gonna go back there anyway.
When did trees go in? Just recently?
I don't know. He
Oh,
didn't
okay.
say.
Okay. That'd be a nice screen material.
Yeah.
Okay. So someone else put the irrigation in.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. We definitely
does-
wasn't us.
Okay, and we're modifying it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because they didn't even put no blowout on it or nothing. They just put one manual drain in a box.
One manual drain?
Yeah.
Okay.
So, because when we cut the pipes on the sides.
Hey, Graydon.
Hello.
How are you doing?
Doing good.
This was the bed we added this morning.
Okay, that's all done?
Yeah, when we dug that up, it was like a lot of water underneath this.
Yeah, it's hold water.
Yeah, big time.
It's a nice area there, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's not a nice day to be working outside, is it?
Not bad.
It's winter time, though.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
So what we ended up doing was adding head over here and a head over there off of this zone.
Yeah, to make it proper
We
coverage.
we didn't know how far the zone went. You know, they got the
Gotcha.
four up,
Gotcha.
and this is where the last head is. See where he put the heads?
Oh, yeah.
So all this just hits all up.
Well,
against
maybe the
here.
previous contractor thought that they were putting shrubs in there?
He
No?
said, as far as he knows, no.
Oh, okay.
So this is where they trench the electric for the new stove and everything they put over there.
Oh, okay. I
Came out
gotcha.
Right there.
I gotcha. Beautiful home, huh?
Yeah.
Nice lot.
Yeah. If these were the heads we raised up, Bob.
Okay.
See, you can only raise them but so far. So he said he likes to leave like 2 inches or more on his grass.
Yeah.
But yeah, these heads, they don't like pop up a certain. Yeah. That's it.
Yeah.
What's that, like 2 inches?
Yep.
Ours are 4, right?
Yeah.
So it makes a big difference.
Yeah.
So,
Hey, Felix.
so I just got to get him now. He should hopefully be up,
I gotcha.
and then we'll turn all this back on and see what we
And
got.
this is the last set of rotors here?
Yeah, this was here, and then
Nothing else on this side?
yeah, 2 zones through the middle,
Okay.
and then there's another zone like over here, and
Okay.
then there's another zone out there.
Okay.
They weren't reaching even out to the edge,
Okay.
so this one's right here.
Already reaching out farther now?
Well, I haven't turned it on yet. I gotta get him to turn the water back on. We just finished raising them.
But you adjust them yesterday to go out farther?
Yeah, I got
No.
it to all
What
the
it,
head
what,
oil.
no, these you can adjust.
That one spray what the
Yeah, they're just finger sprays, but
Okay.
they're only hitting like right there on the other side. So I just don't know if you could change something in that to make it spray farther or not. I don't know.
Okay.
Because
Depends which model that is.
yeah. So he said he was going to check with his friend that put this in.
Okay.
So, all right.
All right. So what else you guys got finish here before you leave?
Just mainly check all the zones again,
Okay.
and then redo the one back there and set it with the
Check,
nozzles.
turn it all on, adjust
Yep.
it.
Yep.
This rain's supposed to be out here by 11 o'clock,
Yeah.
isn't it?
no, I think the 12.
12 now? They keep delaying it. Whenever and I first came in the shop this morning at 6:30, it was only supposed to rain at 7 o'clock for
Yeah.
about 30 minutes.
Yeah.
By the time you guys got loaded up and out of the shop by 7:15, in 45 minutes it switched to, it's going to rain.
Yeah, but it's
Up to
raining
11.
all morning since we've
Yeah.
been here. So,
Has it?
yep.
Crazy weather. Maryland. Wait 10 minutes and it'll switch to something else. All right, so you guys good?
Yeah.
All right, I gotta get to Annapolis, another
Feel
job
like
site.
I only see one car in there, so one's missing already this morning. So that might be the one.
So where you headed next after this?
I don't know, I think the what to has the notice the
Nordy's and Bowie, and then Donnie.
I
and Donnie and Julio are down. Mr. Jefferson's taking his lights down. Remember Mr. Jefferson in Upper Marlboro?
Yeah.
They're down there working. So might want to call out and see who's what to wear.
See who needs help.
Yeah. Okay. So I don't know what the rain. I hope the rain stops. So we can get some more work done today while we're here. You know. Hopefully. We might all be sitting there shaking our heads at 3 o'clock and it's still raining. I hope not. I'll see you guys. All right, we're over here in Chester, Maryland today, working on doing some lawn sprinkler rehab work for a new landscaping plan that Jim Pendleton is going to be implementing here. A new fence, new patio. So we were out in some lawn sprinkler pipe and some wires. Hey guys.
He's waiting for you.
Is that red maple going to go here?
Where the rock is.
Right where the rock is? Okay. That's not a good place for it though. Dog's gonna be peeing on that. We gotta move that. I gotta call Jim.
He said he's coming in too.
Yeah. He said he's here. You said you already talked to him, right? Did you guys look at the store wall? Did you guys look at the store wall?
We're going to start with the store wall now.
Okay. Did the color match?
Yes.
Hey guys, we got to leave this job. I got a job pays a lot more money. Let's go. Come on, pack up.
Yeah.
He's a good man. Very talented. Very talented. So we got that wall there. That wall there. How many pieces does that be, ever? I counted 9.
Yeah.
And here, here, and here. Think 9 will do it?
2, 4. Yeah.
How far were 2 pieces go up there? Be 30 inches, right?
Mm-hmm.
Is it 30 or 24? What's graphite come in?
15.
Is it 12 or 15? Because remember for a while they were making it at 12 inches. Rudy, is this graphite 12 inch or 15?
15.
15?
Yeah, it's 15.
Okay. And how, you guys still got a tape measure with him? As soon as Steve moves his cart, let's check that and see. See how far 30 inches will go up. How you ladies doing?
Morning, Mr.
Good?
Clark. Good.
Doing good? What you guys working on? Did you get everything moved over here about the fence
We're ready to go.
already?
Yeah.
And then Jimmy was talking to me yesterday about going ahead and putting another piece of pipe in, you know, to have it ready. Have you put that in yet?
No.
Okay. Because the fence is going to come out.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. But then Jimmy was asking if once he moves that or in between, we can run a line and have it ready. And can we move that? We're going to move that light today, or are we waiting?
If they move the crepe myrtle, we're going to put it. We already picked the light.
Hey guys, you going to be moving that crepe myrtle today out front?
We're going to start.
You going to start?
Yeah.
Okay. Because if you guys get that done, we'll go ahead and put that light on it.
Okay.
Thanks, guys. Well, let's see if really wants to go to the top. Okay, we might just put one more piece on. I think all we're trying to do is put it so stuff are not, you know, banging into the wall. Put it up a little higher. But let's talk about that. So let me talk to see how high he wants to run that up. Yeah. Okay. Because he might have changed, you know, on that. And then how close is that color going to be? Because remember that one time with the graphite, they were having matching problems with it color-wise. Close?
Yeah.
Where's this light switch?
It's the same. It looks the same. Sometimes it's coming a little bit, but I say 1, 2 feet.
Huh?
Not much different. It's the same. It's the same color.
Okay. We probably don't have any trim with us, do we?
No, we don't have this trim, but maybe we already have some in the shop because we already look at everything in now. But it's
Maybe
a lot
we'll
of
talk.
boxes in
We'll
there.
talk to everybody involved, and then maybe I'll send, like I said, Edwin back with Karina or somebody, or you can run back or whatever, and we'll see if we got some trim in the trailer. You
Yeah.
know?
I didn't think about that this morning.
Yeah.
Yeah, we already bring them in a little different color, but it's not the same. I got some in the truck, but it's a little clear. This one is a little more dark. The trim.
Yeah.
Yeah, the stop was the same.
That wraps up another episode of Life of a Contractor. We'll talk to you soon. If you like this, like, subscribe, subscribe, and we'll talk to you in the next episode. Talk to you soon.